Imagine a trading platform where you can earn just by having others follow your trades. Sounds like a dream? Well, that's what NAGA claims to offer. But does it live up to the hype, or is it just another brokerage wrapped in buzzwords? Today, we're diving deep into NAGA, a broker blending social trading, crypto access, and regulated services into one platform. Let's break down what's real and what's just marketing. NAGA is an international brokerage headquartered in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, with operational offices in Cyprus. That's important because it brings the platform under the regulatory umbrella of SEC, a well-known financial authority in Europe. That adds a layer of credibility for users seeking regulated trading environments. One of NAGA's most promoted features is its social trading ecosystem. Here's how it works: if other traders follow your trades, you can earn a bonus, typically around 25 cents per follower per trade. If you build a solid reputation, this can snowball into passive income, especially for active traders. It's like influencer marketing, but for trading. This is a compelling feature if you're confident in your strategy and want to monetize your performance, not just your portfolio. NAGA offers 6 account types, designed to accommodate different trading styles and experience levels. Spreads vary depending on your account, but to give you a rough idea, Euro to US dollar spread can be as low as 0.7 pips. Standard spreads range around 1.7 pips. Leverage goes up to 1:1000 on certain CFDs, although it's typically capped at 130 for Forex under European regulation. Some accounts include margin boosters, commission discounts, and educational perks. So it's worth reviewing which type suits your trading volume and goals. This is where NAGA really opens up. You can trade Forex stocks, both CFDs and real stocks, indices, ETFs, commodities, cryptocurrencies, even futures. They support MT4, MT5, and their proprietary web-based platform called NAGA Web. It's accessible on both desktop and mobile, with native iOS and Android apps. Whether you're into day trading or swing strategies, you'll find plenty of instruments here. If you prefer to follow others rather than trade yourself, NAGA's auto copy feature is simple and clean. You can view the top performing traders, copy them with a click, and replicate their trades in real time. It's a hands-off option that's ideal for beginners or passive investors looking to learn by doing. NAGA supports over 20 deposit methods, including Visa/MasterCard bank transfers, e-wallets, crypto deposits. Yes, you can fund your account with Bitcoin or stablecoins. Minimum deposit? Just $250, which is pretty accessible for a regulated platform with this many features. For those into crypto, NAGA lets you trade a wide range of digital assets directly on the platform. Additionally, they offer 2% interest on unused margin, access to messenger features for connecting with fellow traders, and interactive feed for sharing insights and performance metrics. This turns NAGA into more than just a trading platform, it's also a community hub. NAGA provides a robust education section called the NAGA Academy, which includes webinars, video tutorials, articles for all experience levels combined with platform tutorials and top trader stats. There's enough here to help you sharpen your skills or even just get started from scratch. Being regulated by SEC gives NAGA a legitimate edge, especially in a market filled with unlicensed platforms. The combination of social trading, instant copy bonuses, and a wide asset selection makes it a compelling option, especially for those who want more than just vanilla trading. Still, high leverage and social copy trading aren't risk-free. It's vital to understand what you're getting into before going all in. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried NAGA, or are you considering it? Let's discuss. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews on trading platforms, tools, and strategies to help you level up. Until next time, trade smart, stay sharp.